Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk to Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Zendesk to Slack, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin interface. Look for that apps section in the sidebar. Click on Marketplace to access available integrations. In the search bar, type Slack to find the Slack integration. Select the Slack app from the list of results. Click the Install button to add the Slack integration to your Zendesk. You may need to provide administrator permissions to proceed with the installation. After installation, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Slack account. Grant Zendesk the necessary permissions to connect with your Slack workspace. Once authenticated, you will configure your Slack settings. Select the Slack channels where you want notifications to be sent. You can choose to receive notifications for new tickets, updates, and comments. Customize the message formatting options to suit your preference. After configuring, click Save to apply your settings. Test the integration by creating a new ticket in Zendesk. Monitor your selected Slack channels for the notification. If set up correctly, you should see a message in Slack confirming the new ticket. Finally, adjust any settings as needed based on your preferences. Your Zendesk and Slack connection is now fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.